Thank you for your purchase of Fun Ride's Murphy Horse 2-in-1, the Ride of Happiness. Comes with exciting 2-in-1 rocker and tracker features. Built with strong and sturdy material and includes the toddler footrest. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. We will now assemble this heavy-duty rocker and tracker by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and a star shape. First, insert the provided two AA batteries to the bottom of the horse body to enjoy the fun music. Start the assembly by sliding the steering handle to the head of the horse. Next, attach the heavy-duty rocker base to the main body by using the long rod, visor, nut, and bolt. This will activate the rocker features of Murphy Horse. Then, slide the both wheels assembly to the side of the rocker base. This will activate the riding feature of it. Now, fit the backrest of the end of the horse body by using 4 long screws. And for the finishing touch, attach the footrest above the rocker by using the provided screws. The Murphy Horse 2-in-1 is now ready for rock and ride. Enjoy the fun ride, the Ride of Happiness.